Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I will make a complete review on Expandi. So I will tell you what I like, what I don't like, and if it's the right tool if you want to send LinkedIn messages. My goal is that by the end of this video, you will know exactly if Expandi is the right tool for you or not. So let's dive in. Alright, so just before we start, if you want to try Expandi for free, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be able to start your 7-day free trial. If you use the link in the description, you can make sure that you get the best available deal if one day you upgrade for a paid plan. So that being said, it's time to start this review. So for this review, I will start by explaining what is Expandi. Then we will see the pros of Expandi and finally the cons of this tool. So let's move on to the first part. And the first thing we need to answer is what is Expandi? So basically Expandi is a LinkedIn outreach tool and it's built to manage all your LinkedIn outreach in just one place. So basically with Expandi, you can import and find leads, you can send LinkedIn messages to your leads, and you can manage all your replies directly in Expandi. So basically, this tool is useful if you want to do LinkedIn prospecting. Now let's move on to the pros. The first one is obvious, but basically with Expandi, as I told you, you can do your LinkedIn outreach. So if we go on Expandi, so I'm currently here on my Expandi account. If you want to create a campaign to reach out to your leads, you just need to go here in campaigns. Then here, as you can see, I have 2 campaigns. But if you want to create a new one, you just need to go here and click on add new campaign. And here you can choose to use a template for your campaign. You can find here on the left some use cases like grow my network, boost your marketing efforts, start your free trial with ease. So this one might be useful. Develop personal brand. If you want to do some lead gen, this one get more demo appointments might be useful. So let's click, for example, create a campaign from scratch. And then here you have multiple choices. For example, here you can reach out to people who are in your 2nd or 3rd degree connections network. Here you can send direct messages to people who are in your 1st degree connections. You can send emails. So basically, if you don't know what an email is, it's a message that you can send to someone without sending a connection request. So very useful. If you post on LinkedIn and you have some people who viewed your profile, you can reach out to them. And basically with Expandi, you have a lot of things that you can do. Now let's move on to the number 2. So on Expandi, you have this feature here called Inbox. And if you click on it, you can see all your messages from your LinkedIn account. So here I have the list of all my discussions. And on the right, I have the details of my discussion. So what's good is that when you send a LinkedIn messages to some leads, you will get some replies. And with this tool, you don't need to waste your time in your LinkedIn inbox because you can manage everything in Expandi. So you can not only see your replies, but you can reply directly in Expandi. So let me show you how it works. So here, for example, I have this discussion. And here, if I want to send a message, I just need to write here, for example, quick follow-up. And then all I need to do is to click on send message. And now, as you can see, my message has been sent. One very useful feature is that you can tag the lead. And what's interesting with this feature is that when a lead is interested, you want to follow up absolutely this lead. And that's why here you can add a tag. So for example, here, Gregoire David is interested. And here it's very easy for me to see that this lead is very important for me. So if you want to add a tag for a lead, you just need to click here on add tag. And then you click on interested. And then we click on apply. And now Arnaud is tagged as interested. If you want to create more tags, it's very easy. You click here in actions. And here you can create a new tag. So basically with this inbox feature, you can easily manage all your replies and you don't forget to follow up your most important leads. Now, the next thing I want to show you is that in Expandi, you can easily manage multiple LinkedIn accounts. And for that, you just need to go here in Workspace Dashboard. So here, and here on this page, you can manage all your LinkedIn accounts. So for example, if you want to add a new LinkedIn account to Expandi, it's very easy. You go here on top and you click on Add New, and then you click on Add LinkedIn Account. If you have multiple members using Expandi for you, you have this system here where you can see all your members and you can of course assign some roles and permissions. Expandi is one of the only tools where you can easily manage your members and you have some roles and permissions. So for example, if you have someone who manages all your replies from all your LinkedIn accounts, it's easy to give just the permissions needed for this task. Then the number 4 is that Expandi has a lot of advanced features. So if we go back on Expandi and then we click on templates, you will find some advanced features. So for example, with Expandi, you can send emails, which is actually very good if you want to send more connection requests. The next advanced feature that you can use with Expandi is, for example, that you can like a post, you can follow a company, you can see the profile, and so on. And basically with these features, you will have a better reply rate. So for example, if you currently have 15% of reply rate, you can move to 20 with these kind of features. Now, if you want to see all the advanced features, you just need to go here in templates or in marketplace here, and you will find something useful to improve your outreach. The number 5 is that actually it's safe to connect Expandi to your LinkedIn account. And why? It's because they don't use a Chrome extension to connect Expandi with your LinkedIn account. So Expandi uses your login and password to be connected to your LinkedIn account, and it's actually the best thing to do if you want to keep your account safe. Now, the number 6 is that they actually have a 7-day free trial. So when you want to try a tool, it's always good to have a free trial. And by the way, if you want to try Expandi for free, you can click the first link in the description. Okay, now that you know the pros of Expandi, it's time to move on to the cons. So the first one is that Expandi is not built to send emails. So with Expandi, you can actually send emails, but the tool is not built for that. And if you want to send emails, you have better tools for that. Now, if you only want to do some LinkedIn prospecting, it's a good tool. But if you want to send emails, it's not the best. Now, the number 2 is their user interface. And I think that it's a bit too complex. So I feel, and of course it's personal, that we have always too much stuff on the screen and it makes things a bit complicated. So if you are a complete beginner at doing LinkedIn outreach, it might be a bit complicated, but of course, if you have already used this kind of tool, you will know how to use it, even if it's a bit complicated. And finally, the last thing is that if you want to try Expandi, you need to enter your credit card to start your 7-day free trial. So if you test Expandi and then you think that it's not a good tool for you, don't forget to remove your subscription. So that's all for this review on Expandi. Don't forget that if you want to try for free the tool, you have the link in the description. And now it's time for me to wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.